Everybody, this is Shorelong here with an attrition match. Going to be using the Hemlock BFR loadout that I've never ever done. I've never used this gun before. And we're going to use the triple threat because it's another one that I've not really used much. So I'm on this map, and I've got to be honest with you, one of the things that I'm not a big fan of so far with this game is the random map choosing. And the reason I say that is because I have run this map exactly 2 times on each side of the campaign. And that's it. Those are the only times that I've run this. Oh, that fires just the one time, apparently. So I don't read the descriptions of the guns. I just went, ooh, I just realized I had this gun. I thought it was something else. I'm going to give it a shot. Really? That just happened. And all these people are using like the old school sights. I don't understand. It's not that good.
Pilot, your Titan will be ready in 2 minutes.
Oh, come on. Really? Like that? Really? Ah. You gotta be kidding me. You've got to be freaking kidding me. Let's get my Titan out.
Be advised, Titan ready in 30 seconds.
And there goes my sound again. I don't understand what's going on with my sound. I had this problem a couple times in the beta as well, and I just... And now I'm getting all these weird lag spikes. I don't understand where that's coming from either. Oh, Jesus! Boom. Eat it. You, from the sounds of that, it sounds like I live in a freaking, you know, bad area, but I really don't. Eject! Eject!
Warning. Eject, eject, eject.
Yes, that's what I was saying. Eject, eject, eject. Did I kill something at least? I've killed 2 pilots so far. Yay. Okay. What the hell? What the hell? I'd like to know why my game's all bugging out too. This is the first time this has happened to me. I normally have, you know, mostly steady FPS. The sound is always bugged on me though. Not like every single map, but quite often.
It's over, guys. We lost.
That was the fastest I think we've ever got our butts kicked.
I'm sending in the drop kit. Check your HUD and get to the nearest evac point.
Ha!
Cool him off.
Wait, where'd that guy go? I was gonna shoot him. I mean, I was gonna shoot in his general direction. Not necessarily at him, per se. That was totally what I wanted to do. God! Why do I have to suck so bad? This is Frustrating. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. It's gonna blow up. And then I died anyway. This is stupid. I hate this game. This game sucks. That's a lie. Anyway, so yeah, that's what happens whenever I try out a new gun. I had a total of 2 kills and 6 deaths, so that should positively affect my kill to death ratio. So alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Tune in tomorrow. We're going to have some more videos. And it's going to be a lot more of you guys laughing at me, so I hope you guys enjoy it so far. Let me know in the comments below. Start giving me some requests. If you guys have any requests, anything you'd like me to do, any specific setups or loadouts or whatever, specific weapons, certain things, you know, I'm up for anything, so leave some suggestions in the comments below. Until next time guys, thanks for watching. This is Shorelong. See you later.